The best piece of advice any woman, especially a woman who's in her early 20s, needs to hear is you need to F around to find out. And that does not mean being stupid. It does not mean doing effed thing. No, it means you need to take risks to discover what it is that you want, who you are. No energy that you ever spend will be lost because you will learn something about what you like and what you don't like. If you experience something you don't like, that's a contrast, and you can use that contrast to figure out what it is that you do want. But you're never gonna be able to figure out what it is that you do want if you're not willing to go out and see what's out there. When it comes to traveling, when it comes to experiencing things. And I'm gonna use myself as an example. I went to music private school my whole childhood. I literally went for 10 years. I was only ever in the choir. I wasn't interested in playing any instrument. I didn't really understand how much I actually like music till I started going to the karaoke bar as an adult. I didn't understand how much music fueled me and how amazing it actually was for me to express myself until I removed myself from it and I actually let myself gravitate towards it again. I never thought I was the musical type, but then I realized I had this whole upbringing around music, and actually it was much bigger part of me than I thought it was. I would have never have found that out if I didn't continue going to that karaoke bar and just have fun screaming songs that didn't even sound good. I wouldn't have found out how much of a passion it was for me to go up and sing and entertain and just be up on the stage if it wasn't because I just effed around and said, oh, let me just try out going to the karaoke bar with one of my friends one day. And that's what happens when you let yourself try things. And if you're afraid to try new things, think about small steps first. What you need to do is go out and try a different flavor of ice cream, a different flavor of yogurt, a different salad than what you usually eat. Instead of eating iceberg, try arugula. Instead of trying this, try that. The risk doesn't have to be that big, but once you see that you can try different things, you'll also realize how much of a range you can actually have. And you will also be someone who's not literally tying your whole freaking identity to one thing. When you are not adventurous with your own energy, trying to discover things, you're also going to be very protective of the version of you that you are now. And that is going to keep you from all of the blessings that are out there because you're literally gatekeeping yourself from discovering who you could be. And that's freaking dangerous. That's literally like putting yourself in a cage and saying you can't escape this cage because this is the only place you're safe. And it's you telling your inner child that. You're telling your inner child you can't try new things. Huh? So go out, F around and find out, try something new, even if it's just a different type of ice cream.